Folks talk a lot about the tech and software, fancy algorithms, lines of code, all that jazz, but here's the dirt. It's the people that really matter. Software development at its core is about solving problems. And who solves problems? That's right, human beings with brains, grit, and a whole lot of coffee. Now, I've gotten my hands dirty in plenty of jobs, but coding wasn't one of them. Still, the principle's the same. You can have the shiniest wrench, but it's useless without someone who knows how to use it. Same goes for software. You need talented folks who can think critically, adapt to challenges, and work together. And it's not just about individual brilliance either. Just like a good construction crew needs a foreman to keep things on track, software development needs processes. These are the blueprints, the step-by-step plans that keep everyone on the same page and make sure the project gets done right. So yeah, software is technical, but it's the human element, the sweat, and the strategy that makes it all work. Alan Davis, a real smart guy in the software world, knew this people-first approach was key. He said straight up that the biggest factor in software success is having the right people on the job. Not the fanciest computers, not the latest software, but skilled professionals. These are the folks who can take a problem, break it down, and build a solution, line by line of code. Think of it like building a house. Sure, you need good lumber and nails, but you also need a skilled carpenter who knows how to use them. The same goes for software. You need someone who understands the tools and techniques, but also someone who can think creatively and solve problems on the fly. Davis knew that even the toughest software challenges could be conquered with a team of dedicated, talented individuals. And he wasn't just talking theory. History's full of examples that prove his point, and one of the most inspiring stories comes from the space race. Back in the 1960s, America was dead set on putting a man on the moon. Talk about a software challenge. This was before the days of smartphones and laptops, folks. Back then, computers were the size of rooms. Leading the team writing the code for the Apollo program's lunar module was a brilliant woman named Margaret Hamilton. Now, Margaret and her team, they were under incredible pressure. The fate of the mission, the lives of the astronauts, rested on their code being flawless. And you know what? They delivered. When the lunar module was just seconds from landing, alarms started going off. The software was overloaded. But thanks to the robust code Margaret's team had written, the system was able to prioritize the critical tasks and safely land on the moon. Margaret Hamilton and her team's work is a testament to the power of skilled individuals in software development. They faced a challenge as daunting as they come, and through sheer brilliance and dedication, they helped make history. Their story proves Davis's point. People, not just technology, are the heart of successful software. Now, having the right people is half the battle. The other half is having the right plan of attack. That's where another software guru, Anthony Wasserman, comes in. Wasserman believed in the importance of choosing the right software development lifecycle model. Think of it as a blueprint for your project. Just like you wouldn't build a skyscraper the same way you'd build a doghouse, you shouldn't approach every software project with the same method. Different projects require different processes. Some need to be super flexible, able to adapt to changes quickly. Others need to be more rigid, focused on getting it right the first time, no matter what. Neglecting Wasserman's wisdom can lead to some real messes. Take the 4chan cyber attack, for example. Back in 2014, a bunch of hackers brought down major websites like Netflix and PlayStation Network. Now, I'm not condoning what they did, but it shows what happens when security isn't baked into the development process from the get-go. So, there you have it. Software success isn't just about the code. It's about the people writing it and the processes guiding them. It's about having skilled professionals who can tackle any challenge and a well-defined roadmap to keep everyone moving in the right direction. Just like any tough job, it takes brains, brawn, and a whole lot of teamwork to get the job done right.
Thank you for watching, and make sure that you like and subscribe.